Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hey everyone.
Hi, I'm
Hi everyone.
Hey everyone.
My name is Hannah Abraham.
My name is Jonah Thomas.
My name is Sean.
My name is Joel Thomas.
Kezia Joseph.
My name is Ryan Oommen. And my home parish is St. Andrew's Mission Church on Long Island, New York. Campus ministry has had a huge impact on me and my faith and relationship with God, even through my busy college schedule. In an isolated college town like the one I'm in, it's hard to go to church throughout the week or on Sundays because there's not a lot of surrounding Orthodox churches in my area. But campus ministry has bridged that gap and allowed me to maintain a strong relationship with God through it all. It has also allowed me to meet fellow Orthodox Christians and allow me to expand my network in that sense.
Please support Youth Ministry Day by making a contribution to your parish, offering a check to the Northeast American Diocese, or by visiting this link. Donate today.